This is three-head vibration plus spindle and beveling head knife cutting machine. Iris machine is tilled with three heads. Let's see. This is the vibration knife head. This is the spindle head, CCD camera, and this is the beveling head. It can cut different degree. And it's easy to cut this kind of design pattern material. Machine is installed with a vacuum table. Could see inside is the vacuum table. It can absorb material when processed with the spindle. Let's see the nameplate. This is the cabinet. And let's see the system. This is CCD, so the material cutting.